and a very good evening to everyone. My dear sisters, how are you all doing today? Fine. That's really wonderful. I would like to thank the English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say about myself. My name is Hiba Fazneen. I am studying in 4th standard A section. My father name is Ali Masif. My mother name is Zakia Naz. I want to become Hafiz Quran and engineer. My favorite color is black. My favorite chocolate is 5 star. I want